All right, so once you have done some chair conformation, right? So we're gonna put axis on the chair conformation. Let me show you. All right, I'm gonna draw a chair conformation here, parallel, and make the two line meet. Make the two line meet. Okay, this is a good chair conformation. All right, now what we got here? So on each carbon, so there's 6 carbon total. This carbon kind of point up. The axial. There's an axis on there. We call axial. We just call axial. Point up. This carbon right here. This carbon point down. The axial is gonna point down. Carbon is point up. See that? Axial point up. This carbon pointing down. Axial gonna point down too. This carbon axial point up. This carbon axial point down. So there are 6 axials total. Okay, there are 6 axials. Now that's an axial. Now we're gonna go on to equatorial. So equatorial, like an equator, so it's gonna be a horizontal line, right? So another chair conformation here, all right? All right, start with this carbon here. The equatorial go that right there, parallel with the line in the middle. Okay, if you draw it right here, gonna parallel with the green line right there. There's another equatorial right here, also parallel with this line. Look at that. All right, that's on the right side. Now we're gonna go to the left side. Left side, start with this guy right here. Point up. This is a point up, parallel with that. This kind right here, parallel with that. All right, and another equatorial on here, parallel with this, like that. That is equatorial. So there are 6 equatorial and 6 axials. All right. Now do not do this. What's wrong with it? Yeah, something weird. See that? What you have to know is equatorial on the right side carbon. So what do we mean by right side? I draw the line in the middle, this imaginary line in the middle. These 3 carbons are on the right side. Their equatorials have to point to the right like that. Point to the right, point to the right, point to the right. You know that? On the left side, so left carbon, this carbon 1, 2, and 3 are on the left side. Right? So their equatorials point to the left, to the left, to the left. Don't go. This is weird. Right carbon go to the left. It doesn't make any sense. Okay? Now, combine them, you're going to have an axial and equatorial on the same carbon. All right? All right. Let's do this on the next video. We're going to practice the draw bond line structure and put substituent on it on axial or equatorial. Okay?